7 signs that you have chronic inflammation and don't even know it, especially in women. Like, this is something that affects a lot of us. So what are 7 chronic inflammations that we don't even know about? Now, a lot of us know what inflammation is. Inflammation is when you have an injury or a chronic swelling in your knee or something. And what causes inflammation? Well, acute inflammation is when you have an injury and it gets infected, and you might have red swelling around it, and it might be pussy. And what actually is happening is the white blood cells come to this area that's injured, and they actually release a chemical, and that actually damages your body. Your white blood cells release a chemical into your system and to fight off the bacteria and germs that come into your system. But these chemical that your white blood cells actually release actually affect your body. And so when you have acute inflammation, so scratches or red rashes or injuries, you might have hit your nail, slammed your finger in the door, or hit your nail with a hammer or whatever, that causes acute inflammation. But what causes chronic inflammation? So signs that you have chronic inflammation are things like constant pains in your body, constant fatigue, and insomnia even, depression, anxiety. So how many have I named now? Body pain, constant fatigue, insomnia, anxiety, depression, mood swings even, mood disorders, weight gain. So a lot of people have trouble with weight gain that they just can't get off. Frequent infections. Okay, now a lot of these things are caused by the environment that we live in, unfortunately. So your body, your white blood cells attack inferior molecules that come into your body, and when you continually put things into your body that is not good for your health, then your body is constantly trying to fight off these things. These white blood cells are trying to attack these things and get rid of them. And this is what causes chronic inflammation. Now, a lot of us don't realize that we have chronic inflammation. I didn't. I had so much chronic inflammation it wasn't funny, and I didn't even realize it. I honestly thought that not getting a good night's sleep and just not having the energy during the day and having these weird rashes appear on my skin was normal. I honestly thought it was normal. But unfortunately, it is not normal. If you are not getting a good night's sleep and you do not have energy during the day, and your moods are all over the place, and you have extra weight, you might have sessions of depression, you have aches and pains in your body, and you honestly think that's just aging. Well, it's not. It's more than likely chronic inflammation, and it needs to be dealt with. Let me know your thoughts on this. If you have these things that you possibly could think are chronic inflammation, if you have sleepless nights, if you have insomnia, if you have anxiety, if you suffer from depression, if you suffer from weight gain, then have a look into it and see if you possibly think it could be chronic inflammation. Now, if you want more advice on how to deal with these issues, then please reach out and let me know. I'm more than happy to give you some advice. Oh yes, tomorrow's live. That's what I was talking about. So if you've been watching my lives, you will see that before Christmas I did one on how to not gain extra weight over the Christmas and holiday season. And I'm thinking that tomorrow morning around this time I will do my recap on that. So I haven't actually done my weigh-in yet, so fingers crossed that it's very similar to what happened before Christmas. And if you haven't seen that video, I'll see if I can find the link and you can watch it down below. And yeah, so anyway, have a good day, and yeah, feel free to message me or ask questions if necessary. Oh, I've got a kid at the door now. Okay, bye.